it means the time, it can make you a king or a beggar in a moment of a second. In the conclusion, we can say that time is a great gift of the God, and there is a saying that say if you will waste time, the time is gonna waste you. So I think it's just it's enough to justify that money is nothing in front of time. It's so powerful.
Time creates the best memories. As we look at the back, we laugh and cry. I just want to take the example of 4 months before. As I gone to a dance competition, we have practiced a lot and together, and we have created so many memories together. You think we can buy it from the money? You can think that we can buy it from the money. As we gone to the stage, the nervousness, the stress that we have, we are taking the trophy, that happiness, the moment we have done. Once again, I just wanna say, time creates the best, wonderful memory which we can't buy from the money. Thank you.
Say we are in the today's generation, say, and say we got this knowledge from our teachers, and say because we got this knowledge because we are coming to school and paying the fees, say, and we today if we know the knowledge of these things or these books, but firstly we have to purchase these books, and say we have to pay the fees of school for getting education of these things, say, to getting knowledge of these things.
So you are spending money to get knowledge.
Money is not everything, but money is something which is very important, and we can achieve the goals from money, and we see deeply. So education, healthcare, family, charity, and etc. We also get opportunity to show our skill, talent, and
Only time can do it. Okay? But according to you, money, because of money, that memory was created. Do you understand that?
I don't understand how you're saying that because of money we can get our happiness, we can get the memories. How?
so as she was talking about the dress, it was provided by the school. We have not spent our money there.
Any count?
To help others, but time can't be donated. As a result, in construction of Ram Mandir, say people have donated money in that, say, which was very essential to devotional part to the people, say, which since our government has built, and say this biggest example is making vaccines in coronavirus, say to mitigate the spread of coronavirus during the central government has appointed a nationwide lockdown in 25 March 2020, say, for making vaccines. Say many industries, for example, many industries and companies have donated money, say, to the government fund. For example, say Adani's group has invested 500 crores to the government's fund, and Tata Group has invested 1,500 crores to the government funds, and Reliance Group has set up the hospital for making vaccines. It was a good hospital which was named as RF Hospital from the Reliance Group. At that time, the lockdown was putting impact on government revenue. At that time, money was very essential for making vaccines.
Basically, you are talking about donations. Lot of donation was done, and we can donate money, but we can't donate time. We can share time, but we can't donate it. All right. Okay. Any counter from Firehouse?
How they are donating money? Because they all have given their precious time to earn money.